Okay, I've got Jamie here with me who's getting ready to paint her office wall, and I'm going to go ahead and walk her through the Remarkable procedure.
All right, well I'm going to start by putting my gloves on so I can stay nice and clean.
There you go, that's good.
And then I'll start with Remarkable Part A.
Remarkable is a two-component product. There is a Part A and a Part B. Just mix Part A into Part B and thoroughly stir for 3 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure, because it's a two-part product, you really want to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. That's perfect. Great job. Once your Remarkable is thoroughly mixed, go ahead and pour it into a roller pan and then thoroughly saturate your roller.
Is that too much or
that's perfect.
too little?
Yeah, just go ahead and just kind of work it in. Don't be afraid. You can kind of, you just want to get the roller fully saturated so you get a real nice even coat on the wall.
Now this looks like a milky white color. This is going to show up clear over my purple wall, correct?
Yes, it is a milky white color, but it will dry absolutely crystal clear on the wall. Now we're ready to apply Remarkable.
Now do I go up straight down?
Yes, go all the way straight down to the baseboard. Just actually tap that tape. Perfect.
And go right back up.
Come straight back up. And notice how Jamie's leading the heel of her roller. The heel is this portion right here. You always want to lead that as you're working your way down the wall. So that's perfect technique there, Jamie.
This goes on real easily, real smooth.
Yeah, it's very simple to apply.
Still low odor.
Yes, very low odor. That's perfect. Go ahead and load your roller up with a little bit more Remarkable there. That's excellent, Jamie. Perfect. It goes so fast. So right now we have about 60 square feet here. Maybe to here less, 55, 60 square feet. And Jamie's been rolling for about, what do you say, Jamie, about 5 minutes?
Yeah, about 5 minutes. It doesn't take long at all.
Perfect. Doing an excellent job. Notice how she's just putting it on, going up, going down. She's not overworking it. She's just moving right on down the wall. Now let's cut in the corners with Remarkable. That's perfect, Jamie, right there. Notice how she's not brushing. She's actually taking the brush and she's lightly stippling, pouncing the brush on and off the surface. And what that does is give you a nice, even finish. So now we're ready to roll on the white Remarkable. You want to make sure that when you're rolling white Remarkable, you always have a white base coat. It's very key. So we're going to go ahead and roll right now. I'm going to show you the proper technique. One of the key things with rolling is you always want to lead with your heel. This is the heel of the roller. So we're going to go straight up and straight down. You want to make sure that you don't have any missed areas. 100% coverage is key. Any areas that are missed will not work well when using your low odor Expo marker. One of the key things when you're using Remarkable white or clear, you want to make sure that you don't overwork the product. Just apply and go. One good technique when you're rolling and leading the heel is I like to slightly twist the roller real gently so it has forward pressure towards the heel. That will make sure that you don't get any lines from your roller, or what we like to call ropes. When rolling, the best technique is to roll straight up. When you get to the top, move your roller to the right and then come straight down. Move it to the right, straight up, and just repeat. This will give you the most even finish.